Okay, Bruins, this video will show you how to upload the link to your Harlem Renaissance presentation. So the first thing that we are going to do, we're going to go to the right-hand side. We're going to select the Harlem Renaissance presentation. The next step that you're going to do is you're going to press Submit Assignment. And the next step is select the Create tab that's right here. And what we're going to do right now, we're going to type out the name of our presentation. So for the purposes of this video, I'm going to pretend that I have a music project and I'll just paste in that particular thing right now. My bad. Music of the Harlem Renaissance. And I'm just going to make mine a little bit bigger and bolder so it's easier to see, but that step is not necessary. But I'm going to highlight it again once I've typed out everything, and I'm going to go to the link button that's right here. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go to my Google Slide document so that I can share it. And you see here in the Google Slide document where you can get the share link. So I'm going to copy this link. And you can have it where people can edit, or you can have it where it's viewable. Just make sure that it is viewable and not private. And so the next thing that you're going to do is copy that over here. And then you will press Insert. And if you noticed, it changed the size of the document title, and it also changed its color. And this is how you know whether or not it's done correctly. So we're going to go ahead and submit. And then the last step is to verify that it's the correct item. So we're going to click right here where it says assignment submitted. Okay, and what you're looking for at this point is being able to see your link look like this. Now, if you check your document and it says that it's in the process of converting it, don't stress out, don't worry, but you do need to make sure that you go back and check it out. It will give you the option to download your submission, and in this case it says submission number 1, HTML. And so if it gives you the option of downloading it, it'll look something like this. And as long as you're able to click on this link and be able to see what you submitted. Now, obviously, this is not the Harlem Renaissance project, but I used this Google Slide presentation as an example of how to upload yours. But another way, you could just be able to click directly from here, and you should be able to see your same presentation. So if those don't work, this is your cue to go back and resubmit the assignment. You can resubmit as much as you want up until the deadline. So once the deadline closes, then that'll be the issue there. But make sure you double check your work before you assume that things are done. And I would check with every group member to make sure that things have been submitted on time. Obviously, don't just depend on one person. Make sure that you double check. So hopefully this video has been helpful to you. If you have any questions or concerns, make sure that you do send me an email as soon as possible. And with that said, I hope you have a great day.